Hello everybody, once again this is Sarah's W Country Boy. How y'all doing? You're probably wondering, why am I filling this genie, right? Well, I finally got somebody who wants to buy it. But I figured I could show you one last run of her, so you all can see how she sounds. She's a little bit noisy. She's not like the, she ain't like the Chamberlain, I can tell you that much. Hear how loud she is? I got to like yell at you guys. Alright. Alright, listen to this. And let's listen to the Chamberlain. Now you all tell me which one's quieter. Okay, there's the Chamberlain. I'm going to run it back down. Once again. There's the Chamberlain door opener. Okay, see how quiet she is? Let's run the genie one more time for shit and giggles. Oh, remember the genie single push button? Does that look like a smart control panel to you? I don't think so. Alright, we'll go ahead and run the genie one more time with the push button. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. This is strictly about the genie. I'm not really talking about the Chamberlain in this video. But yeah, she runs good. I just don't have a light bulb in it, but I have nowhere to store this, so I'm not going to keep this unit. I'm kind of like the random guy, where not the random, the random dude, where he is not a particular big genie fan. Here is the genie door clicker. Okay, there it is. Once again, this is a genie product, so I don't know how long I'll be able to read the numbers off. So we'll go ahead and just get a close-up for you guys. And hopefully you guys can read it. Alright, well, I don't think you're going to be able to read it. Let me see if I can't see anything. Yeah, this is a regular mode. There ain't nothing special about this. Okay, so obviously I got to program it, so this is dead. We'll go ahead and program it real quick. What the heck? We'll go down here and push on the program button. Oops. Okay, well, we'll go ahead and delete all the codes. You hold it for 5 seconds and it should go out. Alright. Well, anyways, that's what the clicker looks like. Sorry about that. We'll go ahead and run it one more time with the genie push button.